What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Got me a PS5 today, so gonna unbox it and probably test it out. Let's go ahead and do it. I might have opened that the wrong way, to be honest with you. This thing is heavy. Wow. All right, so first off, guys, it looks white, but to me, maybe just the lighting, but it's actually a little bit gray, all right? It's just in case for some of you that are trying to match up your gaming setup. It looks a little bit gray to me. This is white. That's gray. Booklets, power cord, which to me, these power cord hasn't changed in years. HDMI cord, which I believe these should support 8Ks. This right here is, I believe, a stand for the PlayStation. And then, last but not least, we got ourselves a beautiful controllers. I love this one, by the way. I actually do have it. Yes, I bought it before the PlayStation came out, just so that I can use the Bluetooth functionality to play some mobile gaming. Love this thing. Ergonomics is great. And last but not least, a USB-C cord to charge your PlayStation controller. I believe that is it, guys. That is the gist of everything that's in the box right there. Let's go ahead and put this together real quick. Some of you may not know is that in order to install the base, you take this little piece out right here. They have that little hole. And then you attach your base to this. You see there's a little screw here. Attach that PlayStation to the base right there. It is now attached to the base. Now it stands beautifully. Okay, so let's plug this thing in and play.